Here is my project today. I have 2008 Acura MDX, and this is the remote key. This is not the fancy one where you can start the car remotely. This is just to unlock and lock the door. The problem that I have is though the battery, this LED light is working, but it's very faint. It's not producing enough, or the signal is not strong enough, so I cannot open the door. So this is a simple process to change the battery. Now I did open up the other one and did take a look at the battery, so I was able to order CR1616 from Amazon. For this was less than $1 US dollar. So I suggest that you open your key or the remote unit before ordering the battery, so you had to make sure. So what you need is this watch repair screwdriver, Phillips, depending on the little screw that you have here. So unscrew it. So let me go and do that. This is a little tricky. Now this is the part that is a little challenging to take it out. Okay, I was able to get it out. So you remove that part, and keep in mind there is a little nut. It's a proprietary product, so it goes only one way, so it's pretty much there properly, so I'm not going to mess with it. So please be careful when you're dealing with this part, because you can lose that one. Now you get a flathead screwdriver like this one. You simply, actually before that, you can remove that. So that's the guts of the system. Then take a flathead screwdriver, little one, and you just open this one up. Should open up pretty easy. This is your battery compartment, or the guts of your key. So this should not take no more than 5 minutes, and you can take this to the dealer if you need, but they will charge you arm and a leg. So it will not be $2–3 job. You're looking at about minimum of $50–60 to get this thing done. Okay, this little. All right, so there we go. You simply remove the battery. Tight. Okay, battery's out. If you can see, it says CR1616. It also says over here, not sure you can see it, it says CR1616. So that's the battery that you need to order. So here's my new one. Just simply put it in, so that the bottom part, it says plus, so plus goes at the bottom. Done. The battery, if you can see the connection part goes there. You tighten this one, done. Now you might be able to see, okay, much better strength. So you can see the LED. This one goes back in here. Now is the tricky part. That goes here. You put the I call it, this is the heads part. Like so. It's a little challenging. Okay, went in. Simply put the screw back in. Okay, done. So it's working. Okay, there we go. So this is taken care of now. So I'm ready to go. So it's a simple thing. Open it up beforehand, then order your part. Once you get the part, just go ahead and replace the battery. Well, it's about 6 minutes since for the whole process. Hope you like the video.